What's up, family? Welcome back to Hustling Crypto, the channel about crypto and only crypto. I'm your host, Bo Ski. In today's video, we're going to do a tutorial about how to make a mansion in a project called Red Light Node District. If you don't know about Red Light Node District, I advise you to go watch my previous video where I break the whole thing down, how it works, who's involved, all the members of the team, the tokenomics. I mean, it's a little bit of everything in that pot. Go watch it. And if this is your first time on my channel, I advise you to go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Do yourself a favor. And once you perform that little action and hit that click, you are now part of the click. Yeah, like that. So with that being said, man, I'm excited about this video because I really like this project. Not shilling it. I just like this project and everything it stands for. So let's get straight to the video. Okay, the first thing you want to do is go to CoinMarketCap. Once you hit the CoinMarketCap, go to the little search engine right here, type in Red Light Finance. But you actually just type in Red Light and it'll pop up. And as you see right here, it pops up to the page, show you what the coin is doing. It's at $14.58. You can scroll down to the bottom at this page. This is where you see how the coin's been trading. But that's not what we want to worry about right now. The next step is going to the website. And if you click this little button right here, Red Light Finance, it's going to bring you to the home page. On this home page, this is not where you create the node. This is just where you get the information about it. So you can see the home, white paper and stuff like that, the team, the roadmap, Discord and all that. But the main thing you want to hit right now is DApp. When you click that, it's going to bring you to the page where you're going to create your mansions. But we got to first get the coin. Go back to CoinMarketCap. And this is where you find out where you can purchase the coin at. You hit market right here. And as you see, it's only traded one place, and that's Trader Joe. When you get to Trader Joe, you don't want to hit no tabs right here. You just want to go straight to trade. You're going to see right up here it says it's from. So you want to trade it from AVAX to whatever coin you want to get to. So from AVAX, you're going to leave that there. Go down here, click USDT. And right here, you're going to type in Playmates. And as you see, the coin doesn't even come up. So in order to get the coin into Trader Joe, you have to go back to CoinMarketCap. Underneath the contracts, that's the address you need to have because that's what identifies the coin. You click the copy button, go back to Trader Joe, and you paste that right there in the search engine. And voila, it pops up Playmates. You want to add that. You don't want to have to keep doing that all the time. Just add it right there. And as you see, now Playmates is there. You can transfer from AVAX to Playmates. At this point right here, you want to probably log into your MetaMask, type in 20. And at the top, you can see it right there. It says 3.86 AVAX is how much it's going to cost you to get those 20. Now, I recommend personally getting a little bit more extra because sometimes when you trade for the exact amount, you end up getting less. You got to make another trade. It's going to cost you some more gas. So just type in a little bit more extra Playmates just in case that number decrease when they're swapping and getting the coins for you. So as you can see, it upped a little bit in the AVAX at 3.9, but that's okay. So now we're going to head over to the DApp section. This is where you make your mansions at. That part that we came to at first, we opened it up. Now you want to connect your MetaMask wallet. Once you connect your MetaMask wallet, give it a couple seconds. It'll show your Playmates. You see that number right there? That will say 20 if this is your first time because that number right there is a reflection of what's in your MetaMask wallet. Let me say that again just in case you didn't hear me. This number right here is a reflection of what's in your MetaMask wallet. So if you got 20, your first one should say 20. And you will have 0 to 200 nodes if this is your first one. I have 7 so far. So it says 7 out of 200. 200 is the max. To the right of that number is my rewards. I'm going to kill 2 birds with 1 stone because you can compound your rewards and use what's in your MetaMask wallet with what's in your rewards and make a node right there. If you're watching this video and you're trying to compound your rewards and make a node, this is what you do. Same thing as making a node. It's your first time. So you go to mansions and right here is where you create a mansion. Now you can create the 20 at one time. That's what the plus and minus button is for. Now since I'm using my rewards, I'm going to hit the compound button and you see it highlight. If you're not using your rewards, and you don't have any rewards or any mansions, you won't even hit that button. I don't even think it'll allow you to hit that button. But after that, you want to hit create and then you want to hit confirm. But this won't go through because I didn't name my mansion. You have to put a name there. A lot of people had that problem there on the Discord, like why it won't go through. You have to name it. And once you name it, you can hit the create button. Once you hit the create button, it's going to say you will be paying 11.618 Playmates out of your balance to compound your rewards and build 1 new mansion. Now that number comes from the number of Playmates in my wallet. They're going to use all of my rewards, but they're going to take what they need out of my wallet to calculate up to 20. Hit confirm, go to my MetaMask. This is how much gas fees I'm going to pay. I click confirm. Once I hit that button, it should take no more than like 20, 30 seconds. Now at the bottom you'll see it say success. I actually clipped it off right there so you can't see it, but it say success. I like to go to my MetaMask wallet, make sure everything went good. And right now it's looking good because I got a green transaction right there. It looked like it got completed. It would have been red if it wasn't. But you should see the funds come out of my AVAX. Boom, there it is. So everything went good. Now I have 8 out of 200. And if you notice, that number went from 12, whatever it was, to 0.677. That's what I got left in my MetaMask wallet. And my rewards are depleted. They're gone because they created another node. Now right here on the dashboard, it does reflect that. So you can see it right there, 8 out of 200. Now I'm ready to go. I just created another mansion. So that's it, family. That's a tutorial on how to make a mansion in a red light node district. I got a link underneath in the description so you can go straight to redlight.finance if you don't want to go to CoinMarketCap. But you still might have to go to CoinMarketCap anyway because you got to get the contract address. So might as well go over there. But I have a link on the bottom right there at the bottom. I'm not shielding the project. I just really like the project. This channel is just not about things I get into. Start doing videos about other coins that's on the market that I might not even be into, but I know my community want to hear about them and what I think about them. And some people might not even know about them. And if that's you and you like content like this where I expose different projects on my channel, whether they're good or bad, you can check on your own, do your own research. Do yourself a favor. Click that subscribe button, hit that like button, get the algorithm up, and that way you be joining in with the click and you get to kick it with your mans for a minute. You know what I'm saying? But Hustling Crypto, it's been a good video, and I appreciate you standing by. Stick with me for a couple minutes. Hey, be safe, do your own research, and always be hustling crypto. Peace.